Hey, so I'm going to go ahead and walk through how to do problem 23 on 10.1. So if you look at number 23, I did the best I could to draw it out. So since this right here is a circle, that's the radius, that's a radius. I think they told you in there that this corner right here is 90 degrees. So it's the Pythagorean theorem. So these two right here are your legs. Okay, so this is a leg, this is a leg. This right here is your hypotenuse. So one common mistake that I see all the time is that they want to write 16R or R16, but that doesn't really make sense when you look at this problem, because this implies that this means 16, oh, got blurry. This means it's 16 times R, when really this is R plus another 16. Ignore those noises. So it's R combined with this 16. So really, it's going to be R squared and 24 squared. Equals these two added up. Now, this right here, you don't distribute that, because this, when it's separated with addition, you're going to have to rewrite this twice so you can multiply it out. So this just means, this square means you're doing this twice. So you still have the R squared plus 24 squared. But here on the right side, it's R plus 16 twice. Okay, and then you're going to use multiplication like we did in algebra, where you do R times R, R squared, R times 16. Then now you move on to 16. And then 16 times 16 is 256. And then 24 squared comes out to be 576. And then you combine the middle term. What is that? 32. And then 256. And we luck out here because this R squared and this R squared, there's R squares on both sides. So when you subtract R squared, they cancel out. So it's just 576 equals 32R. And it's pretty straightforward after that, because then you just subtract 256 and then divide. I'm using my calculator over here. This is 320. And then divide. Oh my gosh, please ignore all that noise. I have cats running around. So that comes out to be 10. Okay, so I hope that helped. So just keep in mind that when you see them like this, you put a plus sign in between. And just remember, you're doing a squared, b squared, c squared. This is the right angle. So these two are your legs. That's your hypotenuse. So I hope that helped. Let me know if there's any other problems that you get stuck with.